In this video, we are about to show you how capillary action works. But before that, let me define what capillary action means. Capillary action is defined as the spontaneous movement of water within the spaces of a porous material due to the forces of adhesion, cohesion, and surface tension. To fully understand the stated definition, let this experiment called the walking water explain it visually. For this experiment, we need some materials like beakers, food coloring, tissue paper, water, and spoon to stir. Now that we prepared all the materials we need, let's start. After lining up all your beakers in a row, fill every other glass with water. Put a few drops of food coloring in each beaker. You can choose what colors to use, but don't use the same color twice in a row. Use the spoon to mix the food coloring in each glass. Use a paper towel to wipe off the spoon in between beakers, so you don't transfer the colors. Use one paper tissue to connect each pair of adjacent beakers. Flip the V-shape upside down and put one end in each cup. This experiment goes very slowly, so you need to come back in 15 or 20 minutes. Keep checking on your setup over the next couple of hours and observe. After a couple of minutes, it is much visible that the dyed water climbs up the paper tissue and is now making its way to another beaker. Then at the end of our experiment, this is how it looks. The water successfully transferred from one beaker to another. It is now safe to conclude that water has the ability to flow even with narrow spaces, and this process is called capillary action. And it is only possible with the presence of forces such as adhesion, cohesion, and surface tension. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you learned something from us today.